Hi, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. We previously published an episode showing you how you can, in under 10 minutes, replace the working parts in a bathroom ventilator fan. But how do you know if the fan you have, they're replacement parts for, and that approach will work for you? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Hi, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. You may have a bathroom ventilator fan that needs repairing, but do you know that you may not need to replace the whole thing? You may be able to just get the parts, a new motor and fan, instead of having to take out the whole framework and the brackets and all that sort of thing. We found a great tool online that tells you what is available for you for the common bath fan models. You can check out the link in the description below. It'll take you right to the tool and find out if you can just quickly replace it like I did in the earlier episode, under 10 minutes, at a completely operational, ready to go fan, no more noise, better performing. Now, a couple of caveats real quickly. If you have a clogged vent, let's suppose the duct that goes away, or it's undersized for the size of restroom you have, then you're going to end up with a more, how should I say it, robust project. But if everything's in order, this is a quick way to do it. By the way, the rule of thumb is that you need to use a fan that's rated in CFM, cubic foot per minute, that'll exchange the air about 8 times an hour inside your restroom. That reduces both odor, and you know what I'm talking about, but also humidity for showering or bathing, because if too much humidity forms, you're going to end up with mildew problems in that paint job or in that beautiful restroom, and that's how to avoid it. Check out the tool. We think you're going to like what you see there, and it'll be really handy to you. You may already have the part, you've already located it, and it's ready to repair it, but you've never seen our earlier episode. Check out this video where we walk you through exactly that 10-minute process to take out the old parts, replace it, and get that fan rolling again. We know you'll like it. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com.